man, excess love of the game and the baggage to match. Ollie Scott now reports on a team racking up the air miles.
Saturday morning and another plane lands at London's Luton Airport. Nothing special about that, but on board this flight are the PobleNou-Enginyers from Barcelona, arriving to play their latest league match in England. In 2006, they became the first Spanish club to play in a foreign league, a necessary solution to a logistical problem, according to long-time clubman Philip Patterson-Smith.
Well, we played in the first division of the Catalan League for several years, and eventually we won it, and in 2004 we had to go up to a national league. Now, Spain is a very large country, and it turned out to be very expensive. And then the idea came to our general manager that perhaps the low-cost flights would work out cheaper if we played in England.
Patterson-Smith, an English expat and stalwart of the club, approached the Rugby Football Union and was given the green light to play in a local league.
Everybody was very interested. The players, something new for them. They thought and they have done, learnt a lot from playing in the English league. And we've become very friendly with the clubs, the English clubs. They love to come out to Barcelona, of course. It's really gone very well.
After a test match to gauge their standard, the club was parachuted into Hertfordshire's top division, an exciting new start for some of the club's regulars, like Jeremy in Berk.
The idea was a bit weird, a bit crazy, but we're a very open-minded club, and the idea of playing abroad was really motivating.
And so every other weekend, Berk and his teammates pack their bags and head for the airport, a decision not always entirely understood in their homeland.
I think that the people in Spain don't get it, because rugby is an underdeveloped sport in our country. Football is so big that rugby just survives. There's a lot of rugby, but at a low level. But this was a good opportunity for us.
We leave Barcelona on Saturday morning on a 10 o'clock flight. We get here around 12:30. We're met by the bus we always have, and we go straight to the ground. Today, as the kick-off is at 3 o'clock, it's no problem. Later on in the winter, we've had problems when the flight's been late. The kick-off is at 2 o'clock, and we've had to change on the bus. Practically no time to warm up either before the game.
And of course, the English climate makes its own very special demands.
Yes, we have to get used to this. Every time we play here, we change our boots and we use more clothes to protect ourselves from the bad weather.
For the local English clubs, the addition of a continental team to the league has been a refreshing experience both on and off the pitch. Paul Stretter, captain of this week's opposition, the Hertford Exiles.
You know that whereas sort of against opposition in our league, normally if you kick the ball away, it's normally kicked back. That's not the case here. They are running rugby. It's sort of they've got a few of the un-Argentinian boys in there, and they will just run the ball at you. And it's hard running. It's good, quick rugby is what they want to play. It's not sort of old boys rugby.
The Spaniards have a proud 100% record in the league. They've won the title 2 years running, and Patterson-Smith puts a lot of that success down to their style of play, particularly on their hard home pitch.
We've won all our games there because we play a fast, open game. And of course you can do that in Spain with the good weather. So we've had no problems there. We usually score 40 or 50 or 80 points. More difficult in England with the weather.
The Hertford Exiles were hoping the wind and rain might dampen Spanish spirits last weekend, and for a while it looked like it might, before the champions clicked into gear and raced clear. So table toppers, and deservedly so, according to the chairman of the Green Kings Super League, Noel Younger.
Their handling is infinitely superior to most English teams at this level, in my opinion. And like a lot of other continental teams, they are very good on the attack, and that's the side of things they bring into the game here. Hey!
And for more information on rugby's new age travellers, go to the club's website, cnpn.org.
Next week on Total Rugby.
We tracked down a Wallaby great flying his